Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to prepare fenugreek gel for hair growth. I'll show you how to use fenugreek gel for coil definition, and I will show you before and after results and how to prepare the gel for best results. So if you are curious to know how to prepare this, and if you are curious to know what this fenugreek gel do to my hair and how to use it to grow your hair, to stop hair fall, to boost your hair growth with this fenugreek gel, say bye bye to store bottle gel. So if this video sound like what I'm interesting, if you are curious to know all this, keep on watching and watch the video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. Welcome back. The first thing is to grab my jar and make sure the jar you're using is clean. So the first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. What we need is dry rosemary leaf. We don't need fresh rosemary leaf on this recipe, okay? We know that rosemary leaf is very effective in growing your hair. If you have not been incorporating rosemary leaf on your hair, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are waiting for. That means you are not ready to grow your hair. You are not ready for faster hair growth, because if you are ready for faster hair growth, you will not joke with rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf is very powerful in growing your hair, okay, and reducing hair fall, okay? So I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. So my next ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is also very effective in promoting hair growth. So this is how fenugreek seed is looking like. Fenugreek seed boosts blood circulation and also help to reduce dandruff. Fenugreek seed rich in protein. Fenugreek seed help to fight hair fall and dandruff, treats dryness of hair, and also control baldness and hair thinning. Using fenugreek seed on your hair is a very great idea, okay? So if you have fenugreek powder, you can also make use of it. So I'll be scooping out 4 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. Next thing, I pour in water. The water I'm using is not hot, it's just normal temperature water, but make sure the water is clean, okay? I collect this water from my tap. If your tap water is not clean, please don't make use of it. You can use bottled water, you can use pure water, okay? So use clean water to soak this. So I'm going to soak this for overnight. So I'll just cover it up. I will stir it around before I cover it up. After stirring it around, this is how it look like. Next thing, now I will grab my cover to cover it and leave it for overnight, okay? Once it's overnight, we're going to see how it look like. So this is the next day. This is how the fenugreek and the rosemary is looking like. The fenugreek seed, as you can see, it have double in size. So once you soak fenugreek seed, it definitely double in size, okay? So I've shake it very well so that everything will mix up very well. Next thing, now I bring in my plate to transfer this into my plates. So at this moment, if you want to use it as a tea spray, you are good to go. But we are not doing tea spray, we are preparing gel, okay? So I put that rosemary to make it the gel more effective. How to get this fenugreek gel is by rubbing your hand on it, okay? By squeezing the fenugreek on your hand, it will bring out the gel out of it, okay? So the bowl I'm using is not that big to contain my 2 hands, so I'm using my 1 hand to rub on it. If you have a bowl that can contain your 2 hands, it will make it more faster for you, but it is what it is, okay? So I'll continue squeezing this on my hand. I'll continue squeezing the fenugreek on my hand to bring out that good gel, to bring out that thick gel I'm looking for. So if you want thicker gel, it will take you more long time to do. Just continue rubbing your hand on this. So at this moment, my gel is ready. I've already gotten the consistency of the gel I'm looking for. Next thing, I bring my wig cap. Make sure that you use something that have very tiny hole so that particles of rosemary and the particles of fenugreek seed will not be on the gel, okay? We are looking for pure gel. Guys, this gel is so crazy. This gel is very jelly. Honestly, I don't know the word to use on it. As you can see, it's very jelly. this is the residues, okay, the fenugreek seed and the rosemary. At this moment I don't know what to use it for, but if you are on your wash day, if you prepare this on your wash day, you can go ahead and blend this, okay, add a little water on it, or if you have aloe vera gel, you can add aloe vera gel on it and blend it. Is ready to be used as your deep condition, okay. So but today, the day I make this, I'm not ready to wash my hair, okay, so I discard it because I'm not washing my hair anytime soon, okay. So this is how the gel is looking like. Guys, can you see that gel? Can you see the sliming of the gel? Guys, the gel is so thick, the gel is so amazing. Why I add the rosemary on it is to make this fenugreek gel more potent, okay, more effective in growing your hair, more effective in reducing hair fall. So next thing, I transfer this in my applicator bottle for easy application. Guys, the gel is ready. You can never go wrong on using the gel on your hair. Keep on watching to see what the gel to do to my hair before and after result. I'm going to show you guys before and after results on how what the gel do to my hair. So keep on watching to see that. So this is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like, okay. My hair is super dry, super crunchy, and super tasty. So I'm going to use the gel now to moisturize my hair and at the same time to give my twins coil definition. Guys, the coil definition the gel give to my twins is so amazing. So guys, do you see the sliming of the gel? The gel slime so well. It can never go wrong on using the gel. You can use the gel as low bond. You can use the gel as con definition. You can use the gel as your detangler. You can use the gel as your moisturizer. You can use the gel as your conditioner, okay. So the gel, you have many ways to use the gel on your hair to get best results. And if you want me to try another way of using the gel on my hair, please let me know. I'm going to definitely try that out for you guys, okay. If there's any other way you want me to show you how to use the gel before you can use it on your hair, please let me know and I'm going to film that video for you, okay. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. Like as I said, my hair is so dry, it's so crunchy, it's so tasty. And if you want to make this gel as your leave-in condition, make sure you use it in a clean scalp, okay. Don't use it on a dirty hair, because if you use it on a dirty hair, it's not going to penetrate very well into your scalp and into your strand of your hair to do what it's supposed to do on your hair, okay. So to see best results on this as a leave-in condition or as a coil definition, use it in a clean hair and in a clean scalp. Guys, can you see that coil definition? Can you see what the gel is doing to my hair? Guys, the gel is so amazing. I'm not kidding. Keep on watching to see the before results and the after, because I'm going to show you how my hair was after applying the gel on my hair, and when my hair have dried, the result I got on it is mind-blowing. So you not like to miss that. Keep on watching and do not skip this video, okay. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair and massage it both on my scalp and on the strands of my hair. I'll give myself a very gentle scalp massage, okay. If you are still watching, please comment in comment section below, say yes, I'm still watching, and I would really appreciate that, okay. So using this fenugreek gel is not only for hair growth, it also help you to retain length, because length retention is the long hair growth, okay. If you are growing your hair and you're not retaining length, it seems like your hair is not growing. With this fenugreek gel, it will help you to retain length. It will help you thicken up your hair. If your hair is weak, this fenugreek gel will help to thicken up your hair. If your hair is always falling excessively, this fenugreek gel also helps to reduce hair fall on your hair. Guys, using this fenugreek gel, you know you will never get tired of it. Okay, you will glad that you tried this recipe. So after then, I will use oil to see in the moisture. I'll just apply a little oil on my scalp and the strand of my hair, but it's not necessary. It can also just, after applying the fenugreek gel, it can just massage your scalp and leave your hair to air dry. If you are using it as a coil definition, okay, you're going to see that crazy coil definition out. Okay, so after doing that, I will give myself a gentle scalp massage. I'm going to leave my hair, I'll cover up my hair and leave it for overnight, okay, for the gel to dry and do in work what it's supposed to do on my hair. I'm curious to see what the gel will do to my hair, guys, so stay tuned to me. Let's find out together what the gel will do to my hair. How can the gel give me coil definition? So keep on watching. So this is the remaining gel that I have left over. So this is the next day, the day that we are waiting for. This is the moment of the truth to see if the gel can really give a coil definition or not. So I will take my hair down. This is how my hair was, remember, when I applied the gel. So this is how my hair is now. Take that down one section. Guys, can you see that coil definition? Oh my goodness, I'm super shocked at the results I'm gotten so far. I'm so shocked. My hair still feel moisturized. My hair feels so soft, so hydrated. Honestly, my hair feel like I apply condition, leave-in condition on my hair. The way my hair feels so good. This did not even dry out my hair. Guys, if you have not tried this fenugreek gel before, I hope they're going to give it a try. Do you see how shiny my hair is? I was very excited at the result I got so far. Do you see the coil? The coil is popping, guys. Oh my goodness. If you have not tried fenugreek gel, I hope that this video will convince you not to deceive you. Okay, we convince you to try fenugreek gel on your hair and you're going to see the great results. Maybe if you want me to try it if you want me to try this fenugreek gel in another way of my hair, let me know. Like as I said before, I will definitely going to try this recipe for you. Okay, so at this moment, if you have not subscribed, you have reason to subscribe to the channel because more goodies will coming on your way. How to grow your hair without to break the bank, without to spending too much money to grow healthy hair. This channel is all about healthy hair with DIY home remedies. So you need to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Welcome to the family, my returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always engaging on my videos, and if you have not liked, please click on that like button to encourage me. If you like it, really encourage me to push out more good content, and also it help YouTube to push this video to more audience for people that are searching similar content like this. And also share this video to your family and friends. You'll be helping one or two person out there to know that you can use fenugreek gel to get coil definition. You can use fenugreek gel to detangle your hair. You can use fenugreek gel for moisturize. Please share this video so that people they don't know about this gel, they will know the good benefits of using fenugreek gel on their hair, and I really appreciate that, guys. I'm super happy. As you can see, I'm so excited. So at this moment, okay, let me give it another style. I want to style my hair to change a look, guys, because I'm so happy for the result I got so far. So I want to style up my hair, and after styling my hair, I went out, guys. The compliment I got on my coil definition is mind-blowing. A lot of people comment on my hair. A lot of people admire my hair because of the coils. The camera is not really doing justice on these coils, guys. The coils coil more than this, and the shine is there, and the softness is there. everything is there. When you try this gel by yourself, you're going to testify what I'm talking about. I'm not exaggerating. I'm telling you the realistic, okay? The realistic, okay? That's what I'm speaking out here. So after styling my hair, guys, do you see how my hair is looking like? Oh my goodness, do you see that look? Do you see that look, guys? Guys, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I look so different. I'm feeling myself. Wow. So please give it a try. Let me know in comment section below. Have you tried fenugreek gel on your hair before? Which method do you use it? Do you use it as a cold definition, or detangler, or moisturizer, or pre-poo, or conditioner? Which method do you use fenugreek gel for? Let me know in comment section below, and share your results with us, okay, so that we'll still learn more on fenugreek gel. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.